Okay, so we got this situation. Tangents are drawn to the hyperbola this. So we have a hyperbola. Let's write down this hyperbola in standard form. So we will divide both sides by 36. So it will become x square by 9 minus y square by 36 equals to 1. So we got our equation of hyperbola. You know that it is symmetric about it is horizontal hyperbola, correct na? Suppose it is horizontal hyperbola. Okay, because you know that a is the constant term is positive. Okay, so we will have vertical line, correct? Now look at this. You have, they are saying that, so tangents are drawn to the hyperbola. Okay, at the point P and Q. So there is 2 point on the hyperbola from where you have to drop tangent, and you know that this is symmetric, correct now? So if it is symmetric, it will be symmetric about this point as well. So can I say that, just think about the opposite way. Like the question is saying that if you will drop tangents from point Q and P, that tangent will intersect at T. Suppose this is point T. So in other words, can I say that from this point, if we will drop tangent, it will intersect the curve at P and Q, and it will be symmetric, correct? P, Q, and we have to find out area of that triangle. Okay, now look at this. So what do you think this PQ is? Exactly, chord of contact. Chord of contact. Because if you think about tangent, no, means it will become a little bit tough and it will become like bit lengthy question. Okay, so we will go with chord of contact. So how we will find chord of contact? T equals to 0, done. So x1, x square will be replaced by x1, y square will be replaced by y1 equals to 1. So this thing will be 0, this thing 12. So can I say that y will be equal to minus of 12, correct? So y coordinate of P and y coordinate of Q will be minus 12, correct? Now we have to think about x coordinate, then we can find out the area of triangle. Now you know that this curve will have some point at x equals y equal to minus 12. Okay, so we will substitute there and then we will get the value of x. So it is, I'll substitute in place of y, I'll substitute minus of 12. So x square by 9 minus 12 square, minus 12 square. So it is 144, 36 equals to 1. Okay, so 12 3 time, 12 12 time. So this thing is 4. So can I say that x square by 9 is equal to 5? Can I say that x square is 45? Can I say that x is plus minus root 45? Batao. So it is behind x axis. So negative x minus of root 45. This is after origin. So can I write root 45? Correct. Now we have to find out area of triangle PQR. So can I say that area triangle will be half base into height correct? Now look at this, half is half. Now think about base. Don't you think this is base? So can I say that it is x2 minus x1, final minus initial? So it is root 45 minus root 45. Okay, so this will become base. Now think about height. Height is also y2 means final minus initial. So final is 3, initial is minus 12. Okay, so can I say that it is 2 root 45? Okay, so 2 gone, so it is root 45 into 15. Is it okay? Now you can also write this 45 as 9 into 5, and 9 can be taken outside 3. So can I say that it is 45 root 5 square unit? Okay, so the area of triangle PQR is 45 root 5 square unit. I hope things are clear.